again. Looking cool. I've got 3 Kinder Toto eggs to open today. Right, I'm gonna open my first egg. And we'll see what we've got inside of it. I hope it's something fun and cool. Okay, not sure what this is. It looks like a little wizard man. And some bits of plastic. I'm not quite sure what to do with this. We'll have a look at the instructions. Okay, I think Wizard Man goes in tube and goes on the base thing. Looks pretty simple actually. And here we go. Right, here we go. You pump the top and the little wizard guy kind of floats and jumps about. Pretty cool for a Kinder egg thing. I'm pretty impressed. Right, onto my next egg. Looks like it's got a little blue car. Pretty standard Kinder egg toy really. 2-piece construction, nice and simple. Right onto my last egg, which has got another car in. It's this little green one with like red flames to stick on the back. Well, there we go. In my triple pack of eggs, I got 2 cars and like a pumping wizard. Pretty cool.